Hi everyone, let us see how to download and install JASP software. So JASP is a free and open source statistical software that offers a user-friendly interface and an extensive range of statistical analysis. JASP allows users to perform Bayesian hypothesis testing, t-test, ANOVA, regression analysis, and many more. So, what is the advantages of JASP Buzzword? It's a free and open source, user-friendly interface, offers a wide range of statistical analysis, provide basic testing, hypothesis testing, and test ANOVAs and regression analysis, and can handle a data of different types and sizes. So this is what the advantage of JASP, and that is why we are going to see how to download and install it. Okay, so here you can see you have an option called download JASP. So click here, download JASP. So here you have various options in order to download based on your operating system. So the first one is Windows. If you are using Windows 64-bit, then you can download it. If you are using Mac OS, then you can download either one, any one. And if you have Linux, then you can go ahead with it. Okay, so I am using Windows, so I'm just going to show you how to download and install this in the Windows environment. So click here, Windows 64-bit. So once if you click here, it will show your download should start automatically within 5 seconds. In case it doesn't start, click here. So you have to click here, and other than this, if you can see here, it is downloading. Okay, once it is downloaded, we can just directly go ahead and install it. So this is what JASP. So while downloading, so I wanted to show you many more information regarding the JASP. So here you can see what are the features of JASP. So it shows descriptive, t-test, ANOVA, regression, frequencies. So all these features are there for JASP. So these are the unique features. Okay, and also you can read the formats like say .sav, text file, csv, ods, tsv, dta. So all these files are available in order to work with JASP. And if you just go here and click on support, you can see like how to use JASP. If you want to see the complete information on how to use JASP, you can find it here. So you can see the blog post, like if you want to use ANOVA. Okay, you can see like if you have any blog post, you have GIF, so you have various options here. They are showing you how to use ANOVA. It's very simple. Okay, it's the JASP is very simple to use. It has a excellent GUI, which is a graphical user interface, where even if you are not a computer science student, if you are from any background, so you can definitely make use of it. Simply just clicks will work out here. And here if you see, so for this, like this, for many things they have the GIF, and even for many they have blog posts as well. For example, if you want to do hierarchical regression, then just click here. They have given some blogs like how to start and how to proceed, everything. Okay, so this is the how to use support, and you have FAQ, forum, workshops, JASP materials, request a feature, and report a bug. If you're facing any bug, you can just apply that, you can just send it to them. And other than that, you have JASP materials as well. So this is a JASP manual. So if you click here, JASP manual, you can see what are the manuals which are already published by a few people. So you can just click here to read the PDF and understand what the manual is all about. So few manuals will be of a different language, so you can just choose your language. Okay, on seeing this itself, you can understand like in which language it is. So here it is clearly mentioned like statistical analysis of JASP, free PDF. So you can simply click here and see how to use this. So here they have given the complete understanding of how to use the JASP with a proper screenshots and everything. So you don't want to worry about how to use what are the data you have to give and everything. So they have given the clear description of how to use it. And even if you want to see this JASP media kit, that is also available here. You have a media kit, you can use it, and books, papers, videos, lot and lot of things which are available here. Even though if you wanted to learn it from me, you can just leave the comment. I can definitely help you teaching JASP through YouTube. Okay, so don't worry. So we can surely learn JASP, which is really a great tool to learn. This is like an alternative to SPSS, so this will be definitely useful for you. So we have discussed about the support. You can see all the support here, and teaching. The next point is what teaching. If you want to go to the if you are a teacher, if you want to teach the JASP, then you can go ahead with the go to the teacher resource. And if you wanted to contact the JASP directly, there is a person who are working with the JASP, so you can even contact it here. And these are all the resources to the teachers. You can find all the various resources like JASP manuals, data library, JASP website, and teaching materials on the OS of JASP textbooks, and everything is available here. So you can just go and search it. If you want to contact them, you can simply click here contact, and you can contact them. Okay, so this is the excellent tool which everyone should learn. This is a very basic understanding, and they have, as I told, it has a user friendly interface, so you'll be definitely loving it. Okay, so this is a complete information about the JASP. That is what are the various links which you should definitely see, is what the main features, complete list of features and everything, so you can find it here. Okay, so once it is downloaded, we will definitely install it and see how it is going to work. So now it is downloaded, let us open this. Okay, so here you have the download. If you double click on this, it will start installing. So here it will just compute the space requirements. Okay, once it is fine, then you can simply accept the terms and the license agreement and click here install. So now it will start installing. So yes, now it is installed. What you can do is, like, you can simply click launch JASP, okay, and click finish. It will launch the JASP. Yes, now you can see this is the JASP screen. So here you can see that it's free, friendly, flexible and everything. And here you have all the menu, like you can open the file, you can open from the computer. OS, a lot and lot of things are there. And here you can see that these things will be enabled once you have loaded your data. So no way, just start working on it. If you have any queries, please leave that in the comment box. And if you have any suggestions or anything else to discuss or share it with me, please comment it. Thank you, take care, bye bye.